Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're in the market for a reliable, adjustable, and portable massage table, you're going to want to hear what we have to say about the YOUNIKE Massage Table. Perfect for everything from lash extensions to tattooing, or even for professional spa and physical therapy use, this table promises comfort and convenience. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. First off, the YOUNIKE Massage Table is equipped with everything you need for a professional level experience. Whether you're setting up in a beauty parlor, at home, or even a mobile setting. It features a 2-inch thick high-density sponge cushion, giving you a soft, supportive surface that enhances comfort during long sessions. The ergonomic design ensures it's not just about looking good, but also about maintaining your body's comfort throughout the treatment. One standout feature is its impressive adjustability. The table can be raised or lowered through 8 different positions, from 25.2 to 33.3, giving you flexibility for various treatments and client preferences. Whether you need the table lower for a comfortable lash extension session or higher for easier access during a physical therapy treatment, it's all possible with a simple adjustment. And let's not forget about the adjustable headrest, which can tilt from 0 to 60 degrees, making it easy to accommodate different client needs. The frame is made of solid beechwood and supported by high-strength steel wire, ensuring durability without sacrificing portability. At just 30.86 pounds, it's light enough to be moved and set up with ease, whether in your home salon or a professional spa. The plywood provides additional support under the high-density padding, and the wear-resistant, waterproof PU leather is perfect for easy cleanup, because we all know how messy things can get during treatments. However, as with any product, there are a few things to consider. While the table is durable, the construction may feel a bit too rigid for those looking for a softer, more flexible surface. The adjustable hand palette, while a great addition for comfort, might not be the most intuitive to adjust at first, so make sure to read through the assembly instructions carefully. And though it's advertised as easy to set up and fold, some users have noted it can take a bit longer than expected to get everything in place, especially when working with the detachable accessories. When it comes to value for money, the YOUNIKE Massage Table sits at a mid-range price point. Given its durability, portability, and ease of use, the price is justified, especially considering the adjustable features and quality construction. If you're on a tighter budget, though, there are cheaper alternatives on the market that might not come with as many features, but could still serve basic massage needs just fine. One thing to note is the table's build quality. While it's solid and stable, the wooden frame might not be as long-lasting as some high-end options, especially for heavy daily use. That said, the YOUNIKE table is definitely built to last for the average user, whether you're a beauty professional or just setting up your own home salon. Let's talk about customer support. YOUNIKE provides a contact option in case you have issues with assembly or any other questions, and based on customer reviews, their team responds promptly and helpfully. This adds to the overall value of the product and reassures buyers that they're not left in the dark if something goes wrong. If you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of tables out there that offer a similar setup, but few combine portability, adjustability, and ease of storage in this price range. If you're willing to spend a bit more, there are premium options with superior durability and additional features. But for those just getting started in massage therapy, lash extensions, or similar beauty services, the YOUNIKE Massage Table is a solid choice. Now, is this product for everyone? If you're a professional in the beauty or wellness industry, or you're a mobile therapist, this table could make your life a lot easier. It's easy to move around, offers great customization, and won't take up too much space. But if you're looking for a table that offers the absolute softest surface or the most luxurious feel, you may want to consider spending a bit more for a high-end version. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've already tried the YOUNIKE Massage Table, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and whether this table worked for you. And as always, Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.